Welcome to the top picks. The best Halloween bowling is probably one of the most exciting and spooktacular ways to celebrate the season, offering a unique blend of festive fun and friendly competition that's perfect for parties, family gatherings, or just a night out with friends looking to embrace the eerie spirit of Halloween with a playful twist on a classic game. Number 5. Liberry Kids Bowling Set. Introducing the Liberry Kids Bowling Set, crafted from superior, high-quality plastic. These are built to last, ensuring safe and easy cleaning for endless playtime. This educational toy set is designed to help children develop essential skills like hand-eye coordination and balance. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor fun, making it an ideal gift for birthdays. Our bowling pins are longer and the balls feature comfort-fit finger holes for a more realistic and engaging experience. This design is meant to spark a child's interest in the sport. This set encourages interactive play, enhancing social skills and teamwork. It's a fantastic way to bond with your children or students during parties, events, or just a fun afternoon. The package includes 10 colorful pins, 2 bowling balls, and a convenient mesh bag for storage. It even comes in a gift box, ready to be presented as a wonderful present. This versatile bowling set is suitable for toddlers and young children. It's a great way to introduce them to sports and group activities from an early age. What we like. This set is made from superior, durable plastic, ensuring it won't easily break. It's also designed with longer pins and a ball with finger holes for a more realistic feel. If you are looking for a long-lasting and engaging bowling set for toddlers that promotes skill development, this is a fantastic choice for indoor and outdoor fun. What people say. The bowling pins are designed to look like classic Halloween characters, adding a festive touch to any party. The bowling ball is made of durable material and is perfectly weighted for easy rolling, even for younger players. This game is great for indoor or outdoor use, providing hours of entertainment for the whole family during the Halloween season. Number 4. Max Fun Halloween Ring Toss Game. Get ready for a thrilling Halloween with this exciting ring toss game. It's perfect for parties, carnivals, or just a fun afternoon. This set includes 2 inflatable spiders, adding a creepy and fun element to your decorations. They are easy to set up and provide hours of entertainment. Make your Halloween party unforgettable with this engaging game. It's a fantastic favor for guests and a great addition to any holiday celebration. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, this game is ready for action. Its durable design ensures fun in any setting, from schoolyards to living rooms. Simply inflate the spiders and start tossing rings. It's a straightforward game that guarantees laughter and friendly competition for kids and adults alike. Beyond the game, these inflatable spiders serve as fantastic spooky decorations. They'll create a wonderfully creepy atmosphere for your Halloween event. What we like. These inflatable spiders offer a spooky and fun twist on a classic ring toss game. They are perfect for creating a festive Halloween atmosphere at parties or as outdoor decorations. If you want a quick and easy way to add some creepy-crawly fun to your Halloween celebrations, especially for kids, these are ideal. What people say. Blowing everything up was simple, even for winded older humans LOL. Seriously, this is great for camping, leaving at the cabin, on a road trip, for a birthday party, for a fall party and even for bath time pool time. I liked the colorful pieces. Attractive to children. Not scary. This game worked great and had ties. I think the ties are to tie it to the ground. Number 3. UpBrands Halloween Stretchy Skeleton Toys. Get ready for Halloween with these fun, stretchy skeleton toys. They are perfect for goodie bags and classroom prizes, offering hours of tactile play for kids. Made from safe, non-toxic materials, these toys are designed for children over 3. Parents can feel confident sharing them as party favors or rewards. This pack of 24 is ideal for birthdays or smaller trick-or-treat events. You'll have enough for everyone without excess leftovers. Each toy is sealed to keep it clean and ready for use. They make a great non-candy option for treat bags and come in a handy pouch. With 12 assorted bright colors, kids will love collecting and trading them. They're perfect for gifts, decorations, or sparking imaginative play. These toys are simple to clean with warm water if they get dirty. They stay fresh for repeated enjoyment, making them great for classrooms. Use them to explore basic anatomy or in school projects. They are lightweight and easy for small hands, adding a spooky twist to learning. What we like. These stretchy skeleton toys are a fantastic non-candy option for Halloween goodie bags or classroom prizes. They stretch up to 24 inches and are made from safe, non-toxic material. If you need a fun, tactile toy that kids will love to play with and that's easy to distribute, these individually wrapped skeletons are a perfect fit. What people say. They are individually packaged and I love the variety of colors. Super stretchy and fun to play with them. These are awesome. There's a good variety of colors, and these really stick. My son threw them all up on our ceiling last night and out of the 24, 7 are still up there. These are fun and have a surprising amount of details. No weird smell, they come individually wrapped with a nice zip-up case that I was able to repurpose for cosmetics. Number 2. Poptrend Halloween Inflatable Witch Hat Ring Toss Game. Introducing the ultimate Halloween party game. This inflatable witch hat ring toss is perfect for kids and adults alike, bringing hours of fun to your celebrations. With the included air pump, you can inflate the witch hat in minutes. It's designed for easy setup, so the fun can start right away. Each package includes a durable inflatable witch hat and multiple toss rings in different sizes. It's perfect for 1 to 5 players, making it a great family or group activity. Made from premium, non-toxic PVC, this game is safe and durable. The vibrant Halloween-themed printing adds a strong festive atmosphere to any gathering. Enjoy this exciting game indoors or outdoors, at home, school, or even on the beach. It's a versatile toy that guarantees fun for everyone. Looking for a unique holiday gift or party favor? This ring toss game is a fantastic choice that kids will absolutely love and enjoy sharing with friends and family. What we like. This set includes 5 inflatable witch hats for a ring toss game, making it great for larger groups or multiple game stations. It comes with an air pump for quick inflation and is made from durable, non-toxic PVC. If you're planning a Halloween party and need an engaging game that can accommodate several players, this offers hours of festive fun for kids and adults. What people say. These are really well made for being plastic. It's a thick heavy-duty plastic that stands well on carpet or hardwood surfaces. They also stay upright when rings are being thrown. Holds air well. Nice big size for kids to use. Easy to set up and includes the air pump if needed. Cute Halloween patterns. Perfect Halloween ring toss for kids. Pleased with height and durability. We had these outside all night at a trunk or treat event and they withstood wind and use. They are still inflated a year later. Recommended and would purchase again. Lots of fun for children and adults. The cones remain stood up and are quite sturdy and are easy to inflate with the pump which is included. Number 1. Witch Hat Dartboard Party Game. Get ready for Halloween with this exciting witch hat dartboard game. It's perfect for decorating your home and wowing your guests. This dartboard is made from soft, durable fabric and comes with 12 sticky balls. It's a safe and fun tossing toy for children of all ages. Improve hand-eye coordination and practice math skills by adding scores. It's a great way for kids to develop coordination and cooperation with friends. Enjoy quality time with your family with this interactive game. It's perfect for stress relief and creating a lively atmosphere for everyone. Looking for a unique gift? This witch hat dartboard is ideal for birthdays, holidays, and stocking stuffers for kids. Bring the fun anywhere. This game is perfect for indoor or outdoor play, making it a versatile choice for entertainment. What we like. This large 30-inch witch hat dartboard provides a safer alternative to traditional darts, using sticky balls that firmly attach. It's perfect for practicing aiming and coordination, and can be hung indoors or outdoors. If you're looking for a fun, interactive game that's safe for younger children and can double as a Halloween decoration, this is an excellent choice for family fun and skill building. What people say. The quality is fantastic. The material sticks perfectly with the Velcro and it's big enough that you can see the numbers from a far distance. It's very cute, but you need to attach it to a cardboard or tape it to a wall, otherwise it won't work. Once you do, it works well. Kids different ages enjoyed playing during Halloween party. Great at our Halloween party, but take it out early so you can smooth out the fabric in time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.